How to see your profile on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your profile on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then just click this three lines here and then click this one on your profile name, and then this is your profile, and as you see you can post anything you want. And that's how to see your profile on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.